Hello friends, in this video I am going to share some brain boosting activities for your kids. Let us see the first activity. In the activity 1, draw two stars like this and put some numbers. Say 135087 randomly. Here I have put 184592. Put some numbers randomly but keep three numbers in common in both the stars. Now ask your child to see which number is common in both the stars. First let me take the number 1. Now ask your child whether you can see 1 in this star. Yes, I can find 1 in this star. So I will write 1 in this dash. Next, see the number 0. Ask whether you can find 0 in the star. No, you cannot find this number. So you can put a cross. Now see the number 8. Can you find 8 in the star? Yes, we can find 8. So ask your child to write 8 here. See the number 3. Can you find 3 here in the star? No, you cannot find 3. So you can put a cross for this number. Next, see the number 7. Can you find 7 here? No. So put a cross. Can you find 5? Yes, we can find 5. So write 5 in this blank. Like this, your children's thinking power will increase. Now let us see the second activity. In this activity, make two trees. Write some numbers in the first tree and some in the second tree. Keep few numbers common to both the trees and some not common numbers. Now ask your children to write the numbers which are not common. Now look at the number 3. Can we find 3 here? Yes, we can find 3 here. So we will not write the number 3. Now look at the number 1. Can we find 1 in this tree also? Yes, we can find. Can look at the number 6. Can we find 6 here? No, we cannot find 6 here. So ask your child to write the number 6 in the dash. Now look at the number 8. Can we find 8 here? Yes, we can find. So we will not write it in the dash. Look at the number 4. Can we find 4 here? We can find 4. Now the remaining is 5. So write 5 here. Like this you can give some activities to your children to boost your children memory power. Now let us see the third activity. Here I have drawn two flowers and I have written some numbers in both the flowers. But I have used different colors for writing few numbers and the same colors for writing few numbers. Now ask your children to pick up the number with the same color. For example, look at the number 5. We are writing 5 with orange. Here also we are writing 5 with orange. So we will choose the number 5 and we will write it in the dash. Next, see the number 1. Here we are writing it with blue, but here we are writing it with brown. So we will not choose 1. Now look at the number 9. We are writing with yellow. Here also we are writing it with yellow. So we will write the number 9 in the dash. 3. Here also 3 but with different colors. 4 with different colors. 6 with different colors. So we will not write any other number but 5 and 9. So you can give such activities to your children which will help them to increase their memory. Hope you like my video. Subscribe for my channel to get more updates. Thank you for watching. You can do the same activity with alphabets also. Now for example, let us take 4 fishes and write some alphabets in the 4 fishes. Write any two alphabet common to all fishes. Now ask your children to find out the common alphabet. So now your child will find out. So they will look first letter A. So can we find A here? Yes, we can find here. Can we find here? Yes. Can we find here? Yes. So we can find A in all the four fishes. So we are going to write the letter A here. Now we will see the letter N. Can we find N here? Yes. Can we find N here? Yes. Can we find N here? Yes. We can find it in all the four fishes. So we will write the letter N here. Now we will see letter G. Can we find the letter G here? Yes. Can we find it here? No. So we will cross the letter G. Next is C. Can we find C here? No. So we will cross the letter C. Like this you can give many activities to your children. Hope you like my video. Subscribe to my channel for further updates.